Why go for a custom animated logo? Hi, I'm Enobong, a digital expert and a video spokesperson here on Avicii Digital Marketplace. It used to be that without a logo, you couldn't start a business. In this day and age, you need an animated logo to stand out. Having an animated logo is a popular asset both for marketing and brand identity. If your logo is your brand's identity, then its animation is a reflection of your brand's personality. Why do I need one? An animated logo is a modern and dynamic way to present your brand in just a couple of seconds. What your business is about, what you represent, and what your company's character to attract buyers in the process. But where would I use it? 1. Grab people's attention. 2. Upgrade your explainer or storytelling videos. 3. Encourage consumer engagement. 4. To characterize a brand logo, reveal for attention to details. 5. Make your video ads undeniably distinctive. 6. Step up brand awareness while keeping it cost-effective. 7. It turns videos into an interactive asset. 8. Our animation improves optimization results. 9. With this animation, you can create intro, opener, bumper in your official branded videos. 10. In your weekly newsletter. 11. As a brand promotion in social media posts. 12. As a backdrop in your store, conference stand. 13. As a video ad in popular networks. 14. As an intro screen in your mobile app. 15. As a social media page, wall cover video. So what are you waiting for? Like videos, logo animation, labeling, and other customization services. Place your order with your video code and get your work delivered in your inbox. Avicii Digital Marketplace for Pros.